Can I avoid paying resell fees on Ticketmaster?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be discussing an important question. Can you avoid paying resell fees on Ticketmaster? Many people are frustrated with the additional charges associated with reselling tickets on Ticketmaster, so let's dive in and explore some possible strategies to help you save money. Stick around, because we're about to uncover some valuable information that can help you dodge those resell fees.
Understanding resell fees on Ticketmaster.
Before we get into how to avoid resell fees, let's first understand what they are. Resell fees are charges imposed by Ticketmaster when you list or sell tickets on their platform. These fees are typically a percentage of the ticket price and can vary depending on the event and location. While reselling tickets can be a convenient way to transfer unwanted tickets, these fees can quickly add up and eat into your potential profits.
Exploring alternatives to Ticketmaster.
One way to avoid paying resell fees on Ticketmaster is to explore alternative platforms for selling your tickets. Several ticket marketplaces exist that offer lower or no resell fees compared to Ticketmaster. These platforms provide a space for ticket buyers and sellers to connect directly, eliminating the middleman fees associated with Ticketmaster. Some popular alternatives to Ticketmaster include StubHub, SeatGeek, Vivid Seats, and Ticketmaster's own resale platform, Ticket Exchange. These platforms often have their own fee structures, so make sure to compare and choose the one that aligns with your needs and offers the most favorable fee arrangement.
Timing is key.
Another important factor to consider when trying to avoid resell fees on Ticketmaster is timing. Ticket prices on Ticketmaster tend to fluctuate based on supply and demand. By purchasing tickets directly from Ticketmaster when they first go on sale, you can often secure them at face value and avoid the need for reselling altogether. This approach allows you to bypass resell fees entirely and enjoy the tickets at their original price. Additionally, if you're unable to purchase tickets when they are initially released, you can keep an eye on the Ticketmaster website or sign up for event alerts. Occasionally, ticket releases for popular events may become available due to returns or additional releases. By being vigilant and checking the website regularly, you may have the chance to purchase tickets directly from Ticketmaster without any resell fees.
Ticket transfers and name changes.
Ticketmaster offers a feature called Ticket Transfers that allows you to transfer tickets directly to another individual. By using this option, you can avoid the need for reselling altogether, thereby sidestepping resell fees. Keep in mind that ticket transfers are subject to certain restrictions, such as limited transferability for certain ticket types or events. However, if you're able to transfer the ticket to someone else, it can be a convenient way to avoid resell fees. Additionally, some events or venues may allow you to change the name on a ticket. This means you can update the ticket to reflect the new attendee's name without going through the reselling process. It's important to note that not all events or venues offer this option, so you'll need to check the specific policies and guidelines for the event you're attending. And there you have it. While it may not be possible to completely avoid resell fees on Ticketmaster in every situation, there are strategies you can employ to minimize or eliminate them. Exploring alternative ticket marketplaces, purchasing tickets at face value during initial releases, utilizing ticket transfers, and checking for name change options are all effective methods to